While there are terrific current offers that you can shop below, the upcoming Black Friday holiday is also an excellent opportunity to find killer headphone deals. First, think about whether you want in-ear, on-ear, or full-size headphones. Full-size pairs are often the most comfortable, but smaller on-ear sets tend to look better and take up less space. So if you're looking for one, then we can help you with some of the best options available on the market. Check out the description below for more information and its latest pricing. The Bose QuietComfort 35 Series 2 are wireless noise-canceling headphones. These headphones vary from the original QuietComfort 35 headphones with the extension of a button on the left ear cup. Press and hold it to talk to Google Assistant or Amazon Alexa when connected to your smart assistant-enabled device. Or use it to adjust the level of noise cancellation among full, low, or off. The headphones can be paired with two devices at once through Bluetooth or NFC technology, and accepts voice prompts in English, Mandarin, Spanish, or Dutch, with other languages available within Bose's website. The Bose Connect app, available on the Apple App Store and Google Play, enables you to switch between various Bluetooth-enabled devices easily, keeping your headphones digitally up to date at the same time. We are not sure about the price drop at the moment, but you can expect a fruitful discount on this product in the coming days. So if you're in search of a durable and water-resistant pair of ANC headphones, the Jabra Elite 85H is the right pick for you. The internal elements are treated with a water-resistant nano coating, which indicates the headphones can endure minor spring showers. Rather than having a metal or matte plastic finish, the Elite 85H headphones are encased in a textured fabric that makes them easy to grip. These headphones are masterminded for the best wireless calls and music experience with smart sound, and you can personalize your sound experience for different circumstances with the Jabra Sound Plus app. As of firmware version 1.4.1, the Elite 85H supports AAC for high-quality streaming. The slightly underemphasized bass response provides vocals and various mid-range frequencies to resonate clearly through almost all recordings. Coming to the battery, you get 36 hours of battery on a single charge with ANC switched on, and fast charging of 5 battery hours in 15 minutes. Get motivated with Solo Pro noise-canceling wireless headphones. To produce sound how you want it, Solo Pro highlights 2 listening modes: active noise cancelling, or ANC, and transparency. Beats Pure ANC provides you the space to create fully immersive sound, while transparency assists you to stay aware of your surroundings. Under ANC, ambient noise is actively cleaned out, so you're just left with your preferred music or podcast. Under transparency, the Solo Pro headphones will let in some ambient noises and work to guarantee that your music quality is as excellent as possible. Transparency is perfect for when you're commuting, out in public, or otherwise need to be aware of your surroundings. In either mode, the Solo Pro wireless headphones can give you up to 22 hours of playback, or 40 hours with both modes turned off. The on-ear headphones connect wirelessly to your Bluetooth-enabled mobile device. If that device is an iPhone, you can employ the built-in dual beam-forming microphones to make clear calls and communicate with Siri. Built-in controls in the ear cups let you manage your music, phone calls, and more. Enhance your sound and style with Samsung Galaxy Buds Live. Created with the most massive Galaxy Buds speaker, elevated bass, and a relaxed fit, playlists sound more like live music than ever before. When you want to block out background sound for a phone call or urgent task, initiate active noise cancellation with just a touch. Adjustable wingtips and the ergonomic shape of each earbud are made to fit snugly and securely within the folds of your ears. Audio quality is focused on the Galaxy Buds Live with recognition to 12mm drivers and a bass-boosting air duct. When you want to interact with others or with the environment around you, engage the earbud's ambient aware feature to let some of the world back in. The Galaxy Buds Live are comfortable on the eyes, light on the ears, and have a long-lasting battery life. No matter where you go, the Sony WH-1000XM4 wireless noise-canceling over-ear headphones produce pristine sound quality while automatically modifying ambient sound according to your activity and designated locations, leaving your hands and mind free from the trouble of adjusting settings just to listen to what you need to hear. Plus, the headphones identify when you're wearing them and start and stop your audio for you. Noise cancellation is performed with Sony's dedicated HD noise cancelling QN1 processor and Sense engine. Sense engine is created to automatically modify the level of ambient sound based on your environment. If quick communication is required, speak to chat without audio playing or cover the right ear cup with your hand to observe the outside world. When it comes to what you do hear, the WH-1000XM4 headphones utilize DSEE extreme audio upscaling to perform genre and instrument-based optimization of the sound, and they support LDAC, AAC, and SBC codecs. When used with a compatible sound device, LDAC transmits roughly 3 times more data, up to 990 kilobytes per second, compared to standard Bluetooth. This is intended to make your high-resolution audio content sound even better when it's played back through the 1.57-inch drivers with LCP diaphragms. You can get up to $70 off on this product right now. From the famous Beats brand comes Apple's best workout-oriented headphones. The Powerbeats Pro is a true wireless earbud option that comes with a premium price tag to match its top-notch quality and its well-known brand name. Nothing holds you back with the Powerbeats Pro in-ear wireless headphones of Beats by Dr. Dre. Wireless play your song from Bluetooth-compatible mobile devices without any wires to get in the way. The rugged sweat and water-resistant design of the Powerbeats Pro lets you wear them to operate or while working out. No matter how robust the routine, the adjustable, secure-fit earhooks are meant to keep the Powerbeats in place. The freedom that the Powerbeats Pro grants extends to battery life as well. You get up to 9 hours per charge, and a charging case is included for over 24 hours of total playback before anything requires to be plugged in. Extra traits include hand-free calls when paired with a smartphone. Optimized for iOS devices, you can communicate through the Powerbeats Pro to communicate with Siri for hands-free calling and more. Now you can get up to $100 off the Beats Power Pro, and we expect in the coming days you can get more discounts on this product. Thanks for watching. Take a moment to hit the like button and share this video. To get notified on all our new video uploads in the future, subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon.